你们好 Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We provide you free Chinese language course and update weekly. In today's lesson, we'll talk about family members, and how to ask about others' family. As far as the age part, we'll put it in our next course, okay? So let's get started. Now everybody, look at the screen. If this is you, yes, if this is you, they're obviously mom and dad. So how's you in Chinese? Look at the screen. Yes, it's 我 and this is my dad. Yeah, right? Dad in Chinese. 爸爸 and mom. 妈妈 Yes, 非常好。And now look at the screen. The family is getting bigger. There are 4 grandma and grandpa here. Now, I know in English, grandma and grandpa are the same from father's line and mother's line, but they are not in Chinese. So now pay close attention. Grandma, grandpa from the father's line would be, yes, 奶奶 and 爷爷. Now grandma, grandpa from the mother's line, everybody. 外公 and 外婆 all again. 奶奶爷爷外公外婆很好。Now the family is getting bigger and bigger. Yes, we've got many brothers and sisters. So how's older brother in Chinese? Everybody? 哥哥 Older sister? 姐姐很好姐姐 and younger sister. 妹妹很好 Now younger brother? Yes. 弟弟 all again. 哥哥姐姐妹妹 and 弟弟很好 Now, last time we have learned how to introduce others. For example, this is my friend. 这是我的朋友 Right? This is. 这是我的 Now, if I want to say, this is my father, in Chinese would be, yes, 很好这是我的爸爸 Everybody again. 这是我的爸爸 And this one, obviously, 爸爸 still? No, 爷爷 or grandpa, 外公 Yes, so we can say, 这是我的爷爷 This is my grandpa. 这是我的爷爷 From which line? Mothers or fathers? Yes, father's line, 爷爷 And this one, obviously, younger sister. This is my younger sister in Chinese. 很好这是我的妹妹这是我的妹妹很好 Now everybody look at the picture here. How many members are there in this family? Yes, 3. 三 right? 三 3 members. 三口人 How to ask? How many members are there in your family? It would be, yes. 你家有几口人 Again, 你家有几口人 How many members are there in your family? And the answer can be 我家 有3口人 and they are 爸爸、妈妈和我 They are mom, dad, and me. Yes. So, how many members are there in your family? 你家有几口人 and who are they? Now let's have a look at the vocabulary here. There are 4 very important words you need to know from this little text. First one, have, has. Yes, 有 And next one, family. You try it. 非常好。家 family, home, house. And this one, very important word. It's a classifier we use to describe family members. For example, 1 family member, 1口人 2 family member, 3 family member, 4 family members. For example, 4 family members, 4口人 10 family members, 10口人 Yes, 口 And last one, 和 and with. 和 So, this one, 有 family, 家 classifier for family members, 口 and last one, with and 和 Now everybody look at the picture. How should I ask about the family members? How many people are there in his family? Yes, I can say, 你家有几口人? And now, can you try to answer this question according to the picture? Yes, 我家有3口人? No. 4口人 They are 爸爸、妈妈、弟弟和我 Right, if you are the girl. Yes. 很好 Now, look at the family picture of yours. Think about the 2 questions. First one. 你家有几口人? 2, 3, 4, or even more. Second, 他们是谁? Who are they? That's all for today. And in our next course, we'll learn about the age and bigger numbers. So, hope to see you everybody. 再见!